If you run a fashion brand, and you must be thinking which is the best AI tool that you can use for your business or for your fashion brand. And I know there are so many tools and all of them are, to be honest, a mess to just go ahead and take a look at it. Everybody says they are the best. Well, in this video, I have tested all of them. So let's check them out. Flux is your pick when you need something that looks really like a real photo, not an AI photo. If you're building a campaign and you need that cinematic, almost editorial kind of look, that's where it shines. Next I tried ideogram. Honestly, it's just really good with text, packaging mockups, ads with a logo baked into the shot, anything where words need to look intentional instead of garbled. That's where that's where it shines. Then comes Nano Banana Pro by Gemini or by Google, which handles complexities better than the others. You are throwing 5 products into one flat lay. Everything needs to sit exactly where you placed it. This one actually listens, so there you have it. Next comes Recraft V3, which is the one nobody talks about enough. It outputs vector files, not flat pixelated or pixel images. So if that graphic needs to go from a hang tag to a store banner, it stays sharp the whole way. Next is Dream 4.5. Basically splits the difference between marketing and product photography, which makes it a solid pick for a straight up e-commerce listing. And Stable Diffusion 3 is what you reach for when you want total control, very specific style, very specific prompt, nothing left to change. So that's the toolkit. All genuinely useful, but trust me, all of them are not. These are not fashion tools. For fashion tools, you need specific things, and that's where WearView comes into the picture. It is a hands-down fashion AI tool that you can go ahead and use. Let's see how you can go ahead and create your very own AI models wearing your specific dress, garment, or whatever you're trying to sell. Let's get into the screen. Alright guys, so first what you will do, you'll go to wearview.co and then log into your account. If you don't have one, go ahead and create one. It takes less than 10 seconds and then click on the Try It Now button. Once you click on the Try It Now button, you will have all these features. Don't worry, I won't be explaining all these features in this video. If you want dedicated video, please browse around our channel. I have explained everything. Now I'll click on AI Try On Studio, and next what you need to do is go ahead and upload your dress or garment that you want the AI to wear. So for that, click on the Choose File button and then navigate and choose the file or choose the dress that you want your AI model to wear. Alright, for this video, I've chosen this beautiful dress that I have, so I'll click on the next button. Now you will have to select your models. Now, if you have a model, then of course, go ahead and click on the Choose File button and choose your model. But if you don't have one, don't worry, click on the My Model section, go to Model Library. Here we have a huge collection of women as well as men, AI models. And by any chance, if you want to create your very own AI model, you can do that too inside WearView. So this is something very amazing. But for this video, I will choose, let me choose someone who would just suit with the dress. Let's choose Sophia for this video and for this dress. So once we are done, we'll click on the next button. Now we will need to choose the quality of the image. Now, if you're really serious about your fashion business, or if you are really looking forward for the best results, then 4K is hands down the only option that you should choose. But I will go with the recommended, which is 2K. So I'll choose it, or I'll select it. For aspect ratio, I'll choose 3:4. Here you can choose for vertical or horizontal or maybe square. It depends on your requirements. For number of images, I'll choose 1 and then finally click on the generate button. Now this will take around 30 seconds to generate the image, so I won't keep you guys waiting. I'll just resume the video once the generation completes. Alright guys, so as you can see, our Sophia is ready wearing this beautiful dress and it looks amazing on her. You can just take a look at the quality of the output image that we have, the hair as well as her dress and all the other features like her arms and stuff, her face, her facial expression, everything is just so good. Now if there's some kind of artifacts or anything that you want to change from the image by any chance, mostly you don't have to. Then click on the refine button, and there you'll go ahead and you have to just prompt it down whatever you want to change. Maybe you want to brighten the background, enhance the color, or maybe remove background distraction. Whatever you want to do, just you can just do that from here. But if you're really happy with the image, you can also flip the image horizontally if you want. But by any chance you are if you want to change the pose of your image, then of course we have AI pose control, which you can just use it to create amazing poses just like the ones that you're looking at. Or if you want, you can also do AI fashion videos for the same dress. It will look something like this, and this is all possible with the help of WearView. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. These are all the AI agents that I've tested, and we have found that WearView is one of the best and also very easy to use. You don't have to go ahead and prompt it right. You just need to select the model, and select the quality, and that's pretty much it. And there you have it. You have an image like this one, which you can go ahead and use it in your store and let the sales go up. Well, that's pretty much it. This is your Victor from WearView. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.